Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new video. It's Mike here, Mike's Drones and More, guys, and today in the mail I just got something that is going to be stepping up my FPV game. So I actually ordered my first set of Fat Sharks. These are the Fat Shark Dominator version 3, and these are actually the ready to fly version. So it comes with the goggles, it comes with the module, and it comes with the battery pack, everything you need to basically get up and flying with your new Fat Sharks. So I have not opened this up. You can see it's completely sealed in the plastic. So I'm going to open it up for you guys and we'll take a look and see exactly what's in this package. Alright guys, so here they are. This is again the Fat Shark Dominator version 3, and this is the ready to fly version of this. So it comes with everything in this kit, which is freaking cool. So let's go ahead and open this up. So the way you open this box is it kind of slides over, and it's really actually a nice box. So I might keep this box for like putting spare parts in and things like that. So right out the bat, here is, looks like everything might be all in one. So here's the nice, Fat Shark does an awesome job at packaging their stuff. They're like Apple basically. So this is the really nice zipper case for your Fat Shark goggles. Let's take a look real quick inside the box here at the bottom. Oh, okay, so there we go. So little QC, so inspected by Fat Shark for quality control. It looks like you get one, two, a few sets of these Fat Shark foams. I don't know if those have to be installed or what, so we'll see. And let's also take a look. Ooh, look at this, guys. We got some Fat Shark stickers. Check those bad boys out. Those look actually really cool. I like those a lot. So, alright. So let's open up this here zipper pouch and take a look and see what is inside. Alright. So right here you've got a lens cleaner for your Fat Sharks, and here they are. I've been waiting for these to come in the mail. I've been saving up, and finally got these things. So I'm super excited, guys, to share these with you. So these are the HD3s. So it looks like I will have to put some of that foam in there. So it looks like you get one foam and then an extra foam, which is pretty cool. I did order a set of diopters that slide in there because I do wear glasses. You guys should know that by now. And then this does come with the OLED receiver right here. So it's already got the receiver, which is nice. It's not the dual diversity, it's the single diversity. But for 300 bucks for this whole package, I mean, you can't beat that. That's pretty good for Fat Sharks that are ready to go. I mean, yeah, you just can't beat that price. So yeah, so there's the goggles themselves. They weigh, you know, not too bad. Here is the Fat Shark battery. So we'll go ahead and open this guy up really quick here, and it just says read manual before use. So of course I will go back and read the manual and everything like that. Now it didn't say whether these came with batteries or not, and it feels like there's batteries in here. So I did order some batteries, and you know what? Yeah, okay, so it's kind of like the Eachine EV100s, and it looks like actually this version doesn't need batteries, or I don't know how to open it up or anything like that. So yeah, this is pretty nifty. So this is what obviously powers your goggles. So it's got the Fat Shark logo on it, which is pretty freaking cool. Looks like you get a whole set of, looks like this must be VGA out, so you can hook this up to probably your computer or whatever, or maybe computer in, I'm not sure. I've got to read all the instructions. And it does come with a rubber ducky Fat Shark rubber guy here. I'm probably honestly not going to use this one, but it just goes right on here, and looks like this is that style plug right there. So let me go ahead and plug this in for you guys so you can at least see. Like I said, this is my very first pair of Fat Sharks, so I'm just going to put the battery in here real quick. And I like how they designed their battery. If you can see, the strap sits around the battery, which is really nice. That's the one thing that's the only thing that's downside to the EV100s is that battery sometimes slips around a little bit. So, but yeah, not too bad. So let's slip it on here. There we go. Okay, so it looks like we got some power, and I believe this little power plug here, this is what plugs in for the fan. So I think you just plug that little guy right there, and let me see if I can hear the fan going. And so I'm just kind of looking here, and let me see. Okay, so yeah, so definitely. So I hope you guys can see that picture right in there. So this has got a much bigger field of view. You won't be able to see very good, and it's got a built-in DVR here as well, so which is really freaking nice. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug this for now. So yeah, so this is just the basic unboxing. So again, what you get in this kit is you get the goggles, you get the case, you get the battery. I ordered batteries for it, but I guess apparently you don't. But you can order an extra case, and so I'll probably end up doing that. And so these just kind of just sit right in here like so. And then you get these video, I think it's for video out, so you can probably hook it up. You get some Fat Shark stickers, those are pretty freaking cool. And you get some Fat Shark foam. So I still have to attach this foam. So I think how this works is, this is kind of like a Velcro-y one. So I'm thinking this one probably sits up against it, and then this this kind of like the regular foam padding is just what sits right in there. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, so I am super impressed. So I'm going to be using my my Triumph antenna over here to plug in. So I'm going to be taking that from the EV100s. I'm going to try and fly without the diopters in there just to see how it flies. And maybe I don't have to use the diopters. We'll see. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure I'll end up having to put them in there. And they do have pupil adjusters right down under here, just like the EV100s, so that's pretty freaking cool. And then it's got a little door over here, so you can take that off and you can add an extra module over here, or you can change out your module over here as well, so that's pretty cool. But for now, I'm going to be using this one. So yeah, I'll be testing these out and flying them and seeing how they do, and I'll let you guys know exactly what they are. But Fat Sharks are basically top of the line. So when it comes to racing drones, these are like the DJI of drones. These are top of the line, top-notch drones. Again, I got this whole kit here. I got it on getfpv.com for about $300. They did have it on sale, but they normally run about $329, which still isn't bad for everything you get. I mean, it's literally ready to just plug and play. You're good to go. So, which is really nice, guys. So, and there wasn't really many unboxings on here. So, once I get a chance to really read about this and show everything and look at it and read all the instructions, I will do a whole video on how everything works and everything like that. But I just wanted to show you the initial unboxing. I'm pretty hyped and jazzed about this because I'm going to be going out and racing tomorrow, so hopefully I can use these tomorrow without the diopters. We'll see. If you guys like the short unboxing of the Fat Shark Dominator V3, this is the ready to fly kit. Comes with the goggles, the battery, the module, everything that you need to fly. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. And if you like my channel, if you like my reviews, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That's down below there. There's a little bell. If you hit the bell, that just lets you know when we got new videos. We have a video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and every Sunday I do a live Q&A, but I might be changing that, so we'll see how that goes. But guys, thank you for all the support, and don't forget to go to the previous video, my 4,000 subscribers. There's a drone giveaway, so don't forget about that. Make sure you sign up for that. Once we hit, we've already hit the 50 likes, so once we hit the 400 views, we will be doing the drone giveaway. So, and that's the Bugs 3, so make sure you join in for that giveaway. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and again, I'm super jazzed about these. I can't wait to get them out on the racetrack and test them out. I'm really super excited. So in the meantime, guys, while you're waiting for my next video, let's make sure to keep our drones up in the air, flying high, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out.